Now that we have answered the questions, I put together a paragraph or a report from the information I gathered. رح أقرأ لكم التقرير اللي كتبته حتى تاخدوا فكرة أكثر عن كيفية كتابة التقارير. Okay, let's read it together. Petra is one of the most beautiful ancient cities in the world. It is also one of the most famous historical archaeological sites. It is located 236 kilometers south of Amman. The name Petra comes from the Greek word rock. The city received its name because its people, the Nabateans, constructed it from the limestone in the 2nd century. Petra is also called the Rose City because of the color of the stone from which it is carved. In 2007, that historic place was named as one of the new 7 wonders of the world, and this is why many visitors from all over the world comes to explore this unique site every year. Okay, so this is the report I made. Now I want you to go, answer the questions, and put together a report of your own.